Every person you admire is walking a path that began somewhere you never saw. You may look at someone who seems successful, confident, or accomplished, and assume they have always been that way. What you don't see are the years of uncertainty, the mistakes, the sacrifices, and the quiet moments when they questioned whether they should keep going. Yet the human mind has a strange habit of ignoring that hidden journey. Instead, it focuses only on the destination and instantly begins measuring its own progress against someone else's finish line. That habit is not only unfair, it is dangerous, because it slowly convinces you that your own progress has no value. Think about your own life for a moment. There are challenges you've already overcome that once seemed impossible. There are skills you've developed, lessons you've learned, and obstacles you've survived that your younger self never imagined you could handle. But the moment you become obsessed with someone else's achievements, you stop recognizing your own growth. Instead of appreciating how much stronger you've become, you start believing you're falling behind. You overlook every victory because your attention is fixed on a race that was never yours to run. Life has never been a competition where everyone starts from the same line. Some people begin with financial security, while others fight through hardship from the very beginning. Some discover their passion early, while others spend years searching before they find their direction. Some receive encouragement from family and mentors, while others have to build confidence entirely on their own. Different opportunities, different struggles, different timing. These factors shape every journey. Expecting your path to look exactly like someone else's ignores the reality that no two lives are built from the same experiences. The real question isn't whether someone else is moving faster than you. The real question is whether you are becoming a better version of yourself than you were yesterday. That is the comparison that creates confidence instead of destroying it. When you measure your growth against your own past, every improvement becomes meaningful. Every new habit, every difficult decision, every lesson learned becomes evidence that you are moving forward, even if the progress feels small. Those small improvements may seem insignificant in a single day, but repeated consistently, they create extraordinary transformation over time. Imagine climbing a mountain while constantly looking sideways at other climbers. You would miss your footing, lose your balance, and forget to appreciate how far you've already climbed. But if you occasionally turn around and look at the distance you've covered, you'll realize you've traveled much farther than you believed. Progress becomes visible only when you compare yourself with your previous self, not with people walking entirely different mountains. Your story deserves the same patience you would give anyone else. Growth is not always loud or dramatic. Sometimes it happens quietly, through persistence, discipline, and the decision to keep moving despite fear or uncertainty. Every step you take builds experience, resilience, and wisdom that cannot be borrowed from another person's journey. The moment you stop measuring your life against someone else's timeline, you free yourself to appreciate your own. That shift changes everything, because confidence is built by recognizing your personal progress, not by chasing someone else's